How can I start creating websites with no coding? I have been creating websites for the last 2 years, and a lot of people have been asking me that how can they start creating their own websites, or how can they start learning how to create a website. So me Kenyan advice is that if you want to start learning or if you want to start creating websites, so start by learning through drag and drop. Wachana na code kwanza. You just stop coding, start learning how to create a website. Maybe from drag and drop, yani no coding included in that. You go and look what we call WordPress, go and look what we call Wix, learn how it works. No, first you need to understand what's a website. So ukitumia WordPress ama Wix utakuwa unajua website ina entail nini, maybe kama the styles venye inakaa ndani, the structure for website. But ukianza kulearn from coding itakuwa ngumu for you ama itakuwa complicated, because kuna vitu zingine zenye unafaa ujue kwanza before you delve into the world of coding. So guys, if you want to start learning how to create a website, start through WordPress or maybe Wix. That's my opinion. But that's how I started. So I think it will be okay for you kama utaanza na if you're a beginner. So if you want more information or you want to know how you can get started, so guys, use the number on my bio and I will get you started. So guys, thank you. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more. Thank you. Peace.